Atulaba from the very beginning. I remember he picked me up in like a small place in Kalagala called Chukubamutwe. He picked me up from there and he's like, you have to go for these auditions. You really have to go. And he came with his car bumping everywhere in the ghettos, trying to bring me for the audition. So I can't start this show without recognizing him. I don't know if he's here or not. I'm saying it from my heart. We appreciate you, Steve G. Thank you so much.
Shout out Steve G.
Are you guys ready to start the show? Okay.
I think for this one, I'd love to recognize this gentleman that's coming on stage. He's one of the best, the Prince de la Cream. And I hope we're going to welcome him, Bolunji. Muli Bolunji? Let's do this.
us, we haven't done this in 15 years. Our excitement is more than yours. We're more excited than you. So for this moment, I hope you can serenade them, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think it's time to slow down just a little bit.
How about we think about the ladies?
Yes, the ladies.
You know that it has to be the ladies. You know, ladies can bring a whole economy down.
Or they can take a whole economy up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So for that matter, if there's any strong ladies in the house, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this.